So now we learn about utilities tools. So they have many options in utility tools. If we click here measure, then we'll get many options: quick, distance, radius, angle, area, and volume. So one by one we'll cover that. So what is the meaning of quick? We can understand that if we use that quick option, it will give us a quick value. So if I click here, and if you take your that middle cursor on any object, it will give you the instant values. Suppose if I just come here, and where you will take your mouse, it will give you every distance here instantly. If you need to know any line distance or anything, just click anywhere. Just see, no need to click, just take your mouse anywhere, it will give you all data here. Just take your mouse here, you'll see all data are available here. If you take your mouse here, so just see all data you are seeing instantly here. Again, if I just come here or here, you'll see all data are available. So this is the magic of quick measure tools, and it will give you a very good advantage when you are working, because by using that tools you'll be able to know, or you'll be able to find out your any distance very quickly.